Everyone says that a designer denim bag is a risk, but I am going to prove to you that it's actually the most versatile piece in my closet. Here are 6 ways to style the Lulu denim bag from coffee runs to evening wear. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one. I have this statement bag that was gifted to me by the brand Babalao, and this is the bag. And I have been wondering how to style this bag, so I really pushed myself and I was surprised at the number of outfits I could wear with this bag, and that is what today's video is all about. I don't know about you, but 80% of the time I plan my outfits around my shoe and my bag. So if you're like me, this video is for you. So let's get started. The first outfit I have is this blazer set that I just picked up from Walmart. It's the Walmart Devil's Wear Prada collection. This blazer set is in navy blue. It's a very structured blazer. And why I went for this look, I wanted to prove to myself that I can carry this bag for like a business setting, even up to date night look. So for this very particular look, this one is a business workwear look, and you are seeing it in the styling part of the video. One of the reasons I picked out this outfit is because the denim bag has some blue in it and really look good on this navy blue set that is from Walmart. And I went for a black shoe because I have this tube top that I also picked up from the Devil's Wear Prada collection at Walmart, and I'm wearing this black slim bag with a little bit of gold highlights. This denim bag has some gold in it, so it just blends seamlessly with this look. I like the way it turned out because I didn't know that, you can rock a denim bag for a business look, and this outfit that I'm sharing with you right here proves the fact that denim can be worn with different type of outfits. In the next outfit, which I am counting as part of the first outfit, I decided to style this denim bag for like my more business casual ladies. I added a beige blazer and I'm wearing a white t-shirt and I'm wearing a straight leg jeans. I styled it like this because the denim bag blends with the jeans and the beige blazer keeps everything elegant, giving it that business casual look. The next outfit I came up with is this sage green top and a beige pants. This outfit just works because sage and denim is a very soft, fresh combination. Look at the outfits in the styling part of the video. Do you see how everything just blends? It's actually this top that I have on. Look at the way the top just blends seamlessly with the denim bag. Here I added some belts and I'm wearing some beige shoes. This is casual chic. You can go to a restaurant like this. If you are like me, you like to dress business casual on a normal day. This look is just so perfect. One thing I know that really works with tailored pants is a cami top. I think I did a video on that. I'll definitely link it somewhere for you guys to watch. But do you see how everything just blends? This denim bag really surprised me. So for the third outfit that I have this burgundy chiffon top and I am wearing it with my straight leg denim. I added like a caramel belt and I'm wearing some burgundy slim back heels. This look is so pretty to me because burgundy pairs well with gold and it just blends seamlessly with the gold in this denim bag. You can see the bag over there. Burgundy and gold are a combination that always work. I am picking out the gold in the denim bag to work with the burgundy blouse that I have on. I think this is a very chic look. You can actually go to work dressed like this You can go for your daily function dressed like this. You can just go and have some lunch with your girlfriends dressed like this. I really love this look. In fact, you can even transition this look to like an early dinner or evening drinks. That is what I love about this look. This next outfit, I'm wearing this blush button down shirt that is like a blouse. It's super old from H&M, and I'm wearing like a light gray pants. It's also from H&M. I have a belt on and I have those taupe slim back heels. This outfit to me works because the denim bag adds structure without overpowering the softness of the outfit, and the softness in this outfit is actually the blush top. Blush and denim, they go well together. I just love how soft it is, but at the same time it's giving this outfit some kind of structure. For the next outfit that I have, this one is going to be a 2-in-1 just because I want to point out something. The next outfit that I have is a white button down shirt and a denim pants, and I added this caramel belt, and I am wearing a caramel loafers. What I was trying to do was to draw out the caramel color in the bag and also the gold details in the bag. Caramel plus denim plus gold looks very elevated. That was why I styled this outfit like this. In the next one, which I am adding to this category as one, it's the same outfit formula. All I did was I just took out the button down shirt. Just in case you don't want to wear a button down shirt, you can wear a t-shirt, and you can even elevate it more by adding a trench coat. It could be a cropped trench coat or a long trench coat, and in this video I'm wearing a cropped trench coat, and I think I have some beige slim back on, but I'm still wearing the same caramel belt, and the same reason applies because caramel, denim and gold is always going to look very elevated. This next outfit, this is the one that I'm calling my coffee runs outfits. For this outfit, I have some denim shorts on. I'm wearing a white t-shirt. I'm still wearing the caramel belts, and I'm wearing like a caramel muse, which I just got recently from Ross. All this outfit that I'm wearing here is literally from my closet, and the same reason also works for this outfit. Caramel plus denim plus gold is always going to look very elevated. So if you don't want to look too dressed up, you can definitely wear this for like coffee runs, and you can actually switch this outfit if you're more into the sporty looks. Just follow the same principle. You can wear a sweat top that has like gray. It will still look good with this denim bag because I have tried them. It's just that it's a little more hot, so I'm not wearing sportswear to go get coffee or anything. I'm just like, Houston is super hot right now, so I'm just wearing like light layers, but it applies if you prefer to wear sportswear for your coffee runs. The last but not the least is the evening look, and for this outfit I have a navy blue slip dress on, and I am wearing a gold chain on my waist. I have some neutral nude kitten heels on, and of course the statement bag. Why I am loving this is that navy and denim just scream sophisticated. The gold in the denim bag and the chain gold belt that I have on just screams classy to me. And what really ties this whole look together is that I changed my lipstick to this bold raspberry or berry color. Just look how this bold lip just brings the whole outfit together. So lovely, that'll be all for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I truly appreciate it. Let me know which of the outfits is your favorite, and do you think that denim is a neutral? I hope this video inspires you to use your statement piece, if you have one, as a focal point for creating multiple outfits. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do not forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next one. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye bye.